Your university life just got better with Sheffield 3. Located in Sheffield's most vibrant area, this property has everything you need, including a wide range of fully furnished ensuites and studio apartments to choose from. All the rooms here come with a cozy bed, an ensuite bathroom, study area, underbed storage, and a spacious wardrobe to make your stay comfortable. Get access to exceptional facilities like high-speed Wi-Fi, on-site laundry room, and an on-site maintenance staff that will cater to all your needs 24/7. The property also features a shared kitchen and common spaces, so you can have a dinner party whenever you want. Head to the outdoor yard in the evening to enjoy some quiet and relaxing time away from the high spirits of the city. With the University of Sheffield located just a 15-minute walk, you'll save plenty of time on commute. Located on Hoyle Street, the area is surrounded by tons of amazing restaurants and pubs like Jora Restaurant, or visit the cozy Bar One to unwind over weekends with your friends. With so much to do and explore, don't miss the chance to stay at Sheffield 3. Book your new home with amberstudent.com today.